Jace the car.
Yeah,
You're good.
Put your hands together like you're praying. Interlock.
Yeah.
Relax your shoulders for me.
Got it.
Yeah, 3 of them.
What are they?
So you're good.
Okay, what's going on there?
So we've had this car in our parking lot, like abandoned for about a week now. Well, we go back there because I called the tow guy to have it impounded. I go back there because we see somebody in the car, and I go try to talk to him, and he's got his pants around his ankles, and his privates are exposed.
Okay, gotcha. What kind of car is he in?
It's in a silver gray. What is that? A Kia? Right behind our dumpster.
And so he has his pants down and privates exposed?
Yes.
How's it going, man?
Hey, how are you doing?
Not too bad.
Did I do something wrong?
What's that?
Did I do something wrong?
Well, we got a call about a guy in a vehicle with his pants down. It was exposed.
Oh, no, I was just changing. I was out here fixing the tire. I got soaking wet, so I was just changing out my clothes real fast. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, I have my gym shorts on. I didn't.
You were working on the tire?
Yeah. I just changed it. The car parts are still over there. I haven't picked everything up yet.
What car were you working on?
This one. I was just soaking wet.
You had a flat?
No, it was a caliper.
Okay. You got ID on you, man?
No.
You don't have any ID?
No, it's not my car. It's my girlfriend's car.
What's that?
It's not my car. It's my girlfriend's car.
Your girlfriend's car?
Yeah.
Okay. Any weapons in the vehicle I need to know about?
No.
Knives, guns, tasers, pepper spray, anything like that?
No.
Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna get some information from you, okay?
Okay.
What's your first name? Last name?
What are you doing in the back of the car?
I was changing out. I just had to change in the caliper on the front, and I was soaking wet. So
he's changing his clothes. Is what he's saying. But
yeah.
What's your date of birth?
Okay. I'm just grabbing my phone right here, real quick.
How long's your Kia been here for, bro?
Huh? Yeah, it's my girlfriend. She just gave me the money to go get the caliper and stuff. I just fixed it.
What are you doing out here in the back, though?
I was changing. I'm changing out my clothes.
Okay. But why would you do that back here?
I'm 6'3". There's trash all over the floor up there.
Okay. What do you do for work, man?
I paint.
You paint?
Yeah.
Who are you calling?
My girlfriend, just let her know what's going on.
Okay.
Because hey, the cops came and stopped me up here for changing in the back seat. So, yeah. I don't know if you just want me to leave the keys in the car or what.
All right, Matthew. If you don't mind, just hang up on the phone for now.
Okay. Oh, okay.
We can make calls after everything.
They want me to get off. I love you. All right. Love you.
Why you? What's that? What's your social?
Very salty here, man.
Yeah, if you don't mind, man, just don't be digging through stuff right now.
No, that's right.
I understand you're in shorts and stuff and it's cold, but
these are soaking wet. There's a pair of slides.
I got you. You were changing out some wet clothes. You don't want to be in wet clothes. I get that. Yeah, we just got to make sure everything's all right on our end. Okay.
Yeah.
So you paint for a living?
Yeah.
Okay. How long you been doing that?
For a while.
Yeah. Where you live at?
Right now I'm living at 67.
What, a house, apartment?
Yeah, it's a house.
Okay. Is that where your girl lives?
Yeah.
You guys live there together?
No, my girlfriend lives with her uncle in Grove City, but I just moved there from the east side from 2477. I just moved out of the east side, and I just moved over here with my buddy over.
So your buddy lives at 674, and you're just you're crashing there for the time being.
Well, I mean, I moved in. I mean, I got my own room and stuff.
How long you been living there?
I just got over there about probably about 7 days ago.
Okay.
I'm nervous.
All right, man. What are you nervous for?
Warrant. I think I have a misdemeanor warrant. So.
You think you have one?
Yeah.
Okay. For what?
I left. I didn't finish a rehab. I left it early.
Okay. You use, man?
No, I have mental illnesses.
Okay.
I have. I'm actually clean since I left, but I have.
That's good.
I have Tourette's.
Okay.
Where I tick real bad and I pick real bad. And it's
That's
not.
fine,
It's
yeah.
not because of the drugs. I promise.
No, you're good. You're
people
good, man.
think that all the time, but it's
That's
not.
why I was just asking if you use. Yeah. No biggie. When's the last time you took your medication? Or are you on medication?
Yeah, I haven't been taking it.
You haven't been. When's the last time you saw your doc?
Probably like a month.
Okay. I need a painter, man. I need to get some painting done in my house.
And this in my tool bag right here, in this front pocket is my ID, and my bank cards and stuff.
So you do have your ID?
Huh?
So you do have your ID?
Yeah.
Why didn't you tell me that, man? When I asked you for your ID, you said you didn't have it. You don't gotta lie to me.
I didn't realize it was on me. I'm sorry, I forgot. I got my ID, I got my food card, I got my debit card.
Okay.
But
we'll
I
grab all
told you
that.
my real name, so I wasn't.
Okay.
I forgot that it was.
You forgot it was in there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I forgot my ID was in there. I remember my debit card and then my food card.
Your wallet's all up there?
Yeah,
Okay.
No, it's just in the front pocket of this blue bag right here.
Okay. We'll get that in a sec. I'll need to see that.
Nothing
Okay.
in this shit's mine.
I got
just
you.
Just this wet shit right here that I took off.
Yeah,
right
you're
here,
good, man.
and
You
then
don't got- yeah.
The blue tool bags. The only thing that's mine.
Okay.
This car's been sitting here for like over a week.
Your girlfriend's car's been
Yeah,
sitting
yeah.
here?
This car's been sitting here forever. You can ask the guy that's
So why-
inside. You can ask the owner. I just got here today.
Why hasn't
and
she?
he changed it?
Why haven't we done anything with it? Why it can't just be sitting here?
I don't know. She just got the money today and gave it to me, and I went and got the caliper and put it on there today.
All right, Matthew, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll have you at least put your boots on real quick, and I'm gonna have you step out. Okay?
All right, can I
Don't
put
have
this
anything
on
in your
real quick?
hands.
Is it okay if I put this on?
Okay. Yeah. Go ahead and put those on.
These are soaking wet. That I have a misdemeanor warrant.
You got a couple, man.
Alright.
Like Grove City.
Grove City?
Yep.
So go ahead and put that blanket down over there. I'm gonna have you step out and your face away from me. Okay? Go ahead and put
Leave
the phone
your
down.
phone, we'll get it
Yep.
for you.
We'll get everything you need. Yep.
Face the car, man.
Face the car.
Yeah,
Sorry. You're good.
Put your hands
together like you're praying. Interlock.
Yeah.
Relax your shoulders for me. Got it.
Yes, we have them. They're all-
What are they?
So you're good.
I'll tell you in a minute.
Alright.
I'll get you in my car and I'll explain everything to you, okay?
Alright.
Sorry, is that too tight?
Is there anything in the car you need us to get out? Because it's gonna...
I mean, the only thing I have is like the top pocket. The top pocket, the tool bag is my debit card and ID.
That's what you need?
Yeah,
And your phone, I would
that's the only
assume?
thing that's the only
You can
thing
stick it
that's
in my car.
mine. This car's been sitting here for.
That's too tight on you?